You ever wish you had a camera so small and light that you forgot you're even wearing it? Well, the Insta360 Go 3 is exactly that. Coming in at around 35 grams, this tiny powerhouse is one of the lightest action cameras on the market. But don't let its size fool you. This thing is built for capturing epic moments effortlessly. So because of its ultra lightweight design, the Go 3 can be mounted almost anywhere. So for example, it could be mounted on your hat using the attachment that it comes with. This little guy here, I don't know if you can see it. You put this on your hat and you just leave it there. It can be mounted on your shirt or even on your pet if you want it to be, without it feeling bulky or uncomfortable. It's perfect for creators who want to shoot hands-free, capturing everything from POV shots to creative angles that other cameras just can't, I want to say, pull off with this little guy. So imagine you're skateboarding through the city. Instead of mounting a heavy camera on your helmet, you just clip this Go 3 on your shirt, like so. You just clip this, you just grab it and you just put it like that. And then you clip this piece, I don't know if you can see that. You clip this on your shirt and then you just hit record. There's a button right here. You just hit record and you just let it go. No distractions, no extra weight, just smooth, stabilized footage for your ride. Now, I would suggest if you do get the Insta360 Go 3 that you go for the highest memory capacity that they offer. I think this one is 64. I think it goes up to 128 gigabytes. I'm not sure. I gotta double check that. So if you're looking for a camera that's small but mighty, the Insta360 Go 3 is a game changer. This little guy. Let me know, what's your favorite way of capturing content on the go? Drop a comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.